Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video today. We have a 2014 Audi A6. It was brought in by a customer. They bought this vehicle out of state from a dealership and just shipped it here, kind of bought it sight unseen. And the first day they had the car, the tow driver told them the car was basically had no power. So they got it over here, said it wasn't driving right, had a P2188 code, which in our history of working on these cars, we know right away to look at the high pressure fuel pump. And sure enough, the high pressure fuel pump was no good on the car. You could even tell by, if you take out the dipstick here and just put any old dipstick y'all got laying around in there, pull it out, you'll smell the gas. The gas actually mixes in the crank with the oil. When these high pressure fuel pumps go bad, when you get the P2188, so you can smell quite a bit of gas in the vehicle. In the crank when we pulled out that dipstick mixed with that oil. And we just advised the customer that he's going to need a new high pressure fuel pump. We did a Liqui Moly Engine Flush as well on it. He was also getting an oil pressure light to shut vehicle off immediately, and I guess it's so much diluted oil in there that it was so thin. We did a one Liqui Moly flush and put in a good man filter in here, good castor oil, because it had a junk filter in here and probably not even the right oil. Put some 5W40 Castrol, and now as you'll see when we crank this thing up, it actually sounds a lot better. There's no more oil light, no more check engine light. We'll go ahead and crank it up. As soon as you cranked it before, the oil pressure light would come on. So yeah, this car here now, we just got to do a SRI reset on it, the service interval reset, and it's good to go. But yeah, this car was not even drivable when it came in. It was that bad. They barely got it here. We could hardly even drive it into the bay. So yeah, right away when you cranked it up before, that was an issue. You had the oil pressure light, check engine light, shut off engine immediately warning going on. So if you guys come across this code, I definitely recommend doing some sort of a flush to get all that gas out of the system. But yeah, besides that, any of your Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche needs, come check us out here at the Auto Connect, Ocean Springs, Mississippi. You can give us a call to set up a service, 228-438-2056. And if you're not local, hopefully this kind of helps some people out. If you're going to work on it yourself, or if you have a tech that's not familiar with this code, a lot of times that code could throw people in other directions, but 90% of the time it is the high pressure fuel pump. And depending on how long it's been driven, there's going to be quite a bit of fuel mixed in that crankcase.